Hi, this is Jebb and this is part 2 of the episode called These Gears Are Gonna Get It. So the hook and its gear and the positioning pin and the feed dogs are all in position. We just have the bobbin case positioning bracket and the bobbin case itself to go inside. So we remember discussing earlier how this would be slid into that bracket down below. Now let me get a towel. I've got a bit of grease there that shouldn't be there. An apparent bit of grease. Okay, so what I need to do is get this end of the positioning bracket in there, and once I get it in, it's not difficult to get in. Oh, that's not what I wanted. So there. Okay, so in order to get the bobbin case in, there's a little bit of a slope to that. So now I'll get the bobbin case, whatever I did with that, all my adventures with the grease. And we know that fits on the race and on there. That seems to be in the right position. And we pull that down, and there it is. So I'm not sure what the next video will be about. It may be about setting the timing, or it may be something else. But thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and come on back. Tell us about your machines, or what you're working on, what you're wanting to learn. Thanks.